At Seafolly, we believe fit is more of a feeling than a size.
Hi, my name is Michaela, and I love Seafolly for what the brand represents and how it empowers women.
This is a fabulous new addition to the Seafolly Beach Basics. It's the Seafolly V-Band Retro. It is a really nice new bottom for a slimming effect. It has, as you can see, a deep V. It has side paneling that allows you to actually increase or decrease the side. It has a really cute ruching on the bottom, slightly higher, and we've paired that back with the really lovely twist soft cup, and I love this halter for a bigger bust size in particular because it's got boning on the side, the thick straps, and of course the key features of this is that you can tie it at the back, which means that you can decide the sizing. I recommend this to a lot of people in store because it's just a really fabulous fit on the body. It's great for those of us that are sporty, but it also works really well to slim down the body, particularly because of this fabulous thick ribbing down the side. It has ruching through the front, which is very flattering across the stomach. It's very supportive at the bust. It has gripper tape that holds very securely in place. It has adjustable and convertible back strap, which means it can be crossed back or across the shoulder.
This is our ruched front retro pant. It's wider on the front and flattering across the tummy area and provides full coverage over the bottom.
This is a fabulous costume for slimming the body. It is the Double D Mayo, and the reason it's so slimming is because of the black panels on both sides and then internally the print, which gives the idea of a slimming illusion. In addition to that, we have double straps which give a great thickness and support, hidden underwire, and a fantastic bust line that really enhances.